This is something random. YT here, back with another video. So today, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thumbnail on Photoshop. Get right into it. Now, this is the first screen you're going to be greeted with when you create a new file. Alright, so you're going to want your, first of all, the width cannot be that. It has to be 1280. Okay. Height, and it has to be 720. Boom, that easy. Boom. Trying to make this as fast as possible for you guys. Create. Boom, you got one right there. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to search up 1280. 1280 by 720. I said bright thumbnail background with lines. I mean, you can pretty much just say thumbnail background, and you'll get things like this, okay, guys? Now, this is how you figure out, like, a bad one would be like this. It's 1000 by 667. It's not what you guys want. Click on this one and hover over it. 1280 by 720. So, right mouse click, and save image as, you know the drill. And then after you've saved it, I like it, it usually goes on there, and I drag it to my desktop. And then when it's at my desktop, I can drag it over here. But right now it's not at my desktop, so I gotta get it out of my Finder. So it's right there. I like keeping it right on my desktop. I drag it over. Boom, already got it. Okay? I really recommend this one. It's very nice. Why is it? Okay, is it centered now? Pretty sure that's centered. Yep. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to this little text, and boom. I highly recommend Arrow. I absolutely love Arrow. I actually do. It's a great font, so I recommend you guys downloading that from Google. Alright, so what we're going to do first is I'm going to go to caps. Okay. And let's say you're making a gameplay video. So, game. Or let's say you're making a Photoshop tutorial. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to grab this. I'm going to move this a little bit over. Grab the text thing. Give that a space to jump that up. Alright, that looks pretty good right now. So you want to move it right there. That looks pretty good already, okay? But we're going to make it even better. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to double tap on the back part of this where it's not on the writing. And then you're going to be finding this. Guys. So basically, you can kind of mess with it. Drop shadow is pretty cool. I'm deleting that, but it kind of makes it look good. You obviously don't want it to be like that, though. I'd recommend just a very small one then, like that. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Is there anything else that we can add? That doesn't look that great. Logo or anything, like let's say you want an OBS logo, something like that, okay? You do a tutorial for OBS, maybe that's what you want to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this, take it back. Like I always do, take this in, and then I'm going to size it way down because that's huge. Make sure you're holding shift while you size it down because you can't mess it up. Make it look all weird. Okay. I like turning it like this. Sizing it down a little bit more. And then you see how Photoshop logo's on top? Take the, here, we can say that it's there. So we take this and put it on top. Boom, so that this is, so now it shows that that's on top, so this Photoshop can kind of go under it. Usually you have more text or something like that to add to it. But you can take that, and then you can, I'm going to take my Photoshop logo, and I'm going to give it a drop shadow too, if the other one gets a drop shadow. Why is that huge? Oh, it's the opacity, right? No, that's how bright it is. Fill opacity. No. No. Dang, that looks cool. I'm leaving that. Still do want to know why it's huge. There you go, guys. And make sure to click on the video that's on the screen right now to bring you to some of my other tutorials or Fortnite gameplay or Minecraft. I do all of them. Okay, guys? Make sure to tap on that. See you later.